What's going down, people? Jack Cole, Unstoppable Force. I'm in beautiful sunny Monaco with a big ass cruise ship behind me and some Gucci shades on, about to go enjoy my day. Now, what I'm realizing right now is that, holy shit, delayed gratification has finally begun to really work. I'm coining a new phrase today. It's called momentum money. Momentum money means that the more work you put in the early days, the more momentum you build, the more money you're generating down the road. And it cannot come at first. In fact, I'll tell you a very interesting story about a summer of mine 6 years ago in 2018. It's now 2024. I'm 25 years old. Back in 2018, I was working in a shitty $200 a month office, and I totally had no cash. I was making minimal money off my freelancing. The YouTube channel hadn't kicked off yet. There was no video production plus. There was no business. There was nothing. It was totally in the inception days. And I was renting this little office in Totnes, Devon, a town in the countryside. I hadn't even moved to London yet. Hadn't even landed all my big clients yet. Nothing had really happened yet. And it was the summertime. And I was scrolling on Instagram, and I was seeing all of these people having fun, right? They're cruising around Europe. They're having fun. There was one specific squad in particular that I was watching. They were blowing loads of cash, new country every single day. And that looked like a hell of a lot of fun. And I remember specifically being sat in the communal kitchen of the office complex, making a pot noodle on a sunny summer's day, while all of these people around Europe and even in my town, they were all out there having fun, down by the river having fun. Maybe the rich people on Instagram were cruising around Europe having fun. They were having a blast, and I had no cash to go spend. I would have loved to go have some fun, but I totally wasn't in that position. I hadn't built enough momentum to be making enough money. Bing, 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 momentum money. So I had to delay gratification. I remember specifically, super vividly thinking, I'm about 2 years away from having enough momentum to be making enough cash on semi-autopilot to be able to go start doing these fun things. And imagine that. You right now, imagine this summer watching this. You have to say, I'm not there yet. Going to keep working for another 2 years and delay gratification. And in the future, I'll be making it. Delayed gratification equals a bigger result down the road. More momentum, more money. So I did delay gratification. I kept working. I didn't go away anywhere that summer. I didn't go away anywhere the next summer. I just kept on working. And eventually, 2021 comes around. They'd already done COVID 1, lockdown 1, and they were trying to do lockdown 2 in the UK. They were talking about it. The rumors were happening. Lockdown's going to happen. They're going to lock us down again. And guess what? Ding, 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 ding. I built enough momentum that enough money was coming in. Not on autopilot. I don't like the word passive income because although as you detach from your hourly rate, right, you don't end up making money for your hour, right? AKA, if I do some work right now, no one hands me a check for that exact hour, but it generates some momentum and money gets made down the road, right? So it's not necessarily passive income. It's just like delayed payment, right? So if I make a bunch of YouTube videos today, the AdSense checks doesn't hit for, a month and a half or whatever, right? Awesome, cool, no problem. So it's momentum money. You build some momentum, you're doing stuff constantly, and then you're constantly reaping the rewards of that money down the road. So 2021's here. Momentum's happening. We're making enough cash. They want to lock us down. Me, my brother, my girlfriend, we split to Portugal. Portugal was a little bit more lax. They weren't going to lock things down. They still had COVID restrictions, but they were never going to lock things down. They were like, we're chill, we're open. Come hang out, have a good time. We got all the restaurants open, everything. So we split to Portugal and live in hotels for a month. 7 spa hotels in 4 weeks. That averages out to about a new spa hotel every 3 days. Comfortability-wise and like settling in-wise, makes no sense at all. But it was a hell of a lot of fun. And I remember specifically being there. 2021, so we're like 2-3 years ahead right now. And I remember specifically thinking to myself, we've done it. The delayed gratification worked. I'm now the person who I remember seeing on Instagram, cruising around Europe, having fun, blowing a bunch of cash. And it could have only happened if I delayed gratification. So I say that to say this. You actually might be in a more similar position to me in 2018, where you had to sit in the communal kitchen of your shitty $200 a month office and make the executive decision to take your ass back into the office and keep editing some videos so you could build enough momentum, ding, 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 to be getting to the money down the road. And that has continued to compound, and the quality of holiday and the quality of vacation I could go take in 2021, in 2024, it significantly improved again because ding, 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 we've built enough momentum, we're making more money. Absolutely fantastic. Big ass cruise ship behind me. bunch of tourists. I'm staying at the Fairmont Monaco, beautiful hotel, and it's a fantastic day. I'm going to go enjoy my day. Have a good time. Keep working. I'm essentially living proof that it does get greater later, and you will eventually make it. But only if you put the work in, baby. See you guys later. All right, I'm back in London now. So if you guys want to learn how to earn between $500 to $10,000 a month as a new age video editor, $500 is the lower end, $10,000 plus a month. We've got students in VP plus, bunch of them making 10K plus a month. If you want to learn how yourself, build an income completely remote and become a new age video editor, that's what we're teaching. Download the free document down below. It's a free course by me. It's 11 minutes long. It's worth your time. Zero cuts, just raw value, breaking down how you can earn $500 to $10,000 a month as a new age video editor. Click the link down below. It's free. Why wouldn't you? Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.